Hello, how are you? Today I'd like to talk about the use of tactical tools. I think one of the most important things to start to get your head around is the idea that you are the weapon and everything else is simply a tool. Once you start to think like this, you'll notice that absolutely anything in your surroundings can be used to help aid to protect yourself. Even if you're not holding anything, you can start slamming people's body parts like their arms and heads into the ground or walls or tables or corners of tables and walls. As far as everyday objects go, you could be walking down the street carrying a drink bottle. Okay, this is something very simple and effective. You can use, hit into someone. You can use it to block weapon attacks and bludgeon with it. One of my other favourite things that I quite like is a backpack. Okay, again, very big, bulky, same concept. You can block with it, you can hit with it. Use it, there's a distance to keep distance between you and someone with a weapon. Never underestimate even simply just bang, just spitting at someone if you have nothing. One of my favourite things is I like to walk out with this if I'm out at the shopping centre. Easy to hold. I like to hold it in a universal grip like this, and it's out of the way, it doesn't look threatening, but can be used to slash, jab into someone if needs be, create enough time to create some distance and either escape, or if you can't escape, to disable the attacker until they can no longer fight or hurt you. Other things to think about is if you're at a restaurant, you can simply use something like a plate to flick up or fling at this person. Chances are you're going to have a knife next to you or a fork. Again, works just like this, same concept, exactly the same thing. Something as simple as holding a coffee. Okay, you can throw the coffee in their face and then hit, or throw the cup or hit with the cup. One of my favourite things is a pen. Okay, and again, exactly the same. Personally, I prefer to use tactical pens, which are metal pens because they don't break as easy as the big pens. Okay, so it's something to think about, that whatever is in your surroundings can be used as a force multiplier to protect yourself with and to use against the attacker. Okay, whenever you're out, you should always have a certain amount of situational awareness about you and what's going on around you. Ideally speaking, if you see or feel something's going to be trouble and you can't leave, you should already have an object in your hands to use. Something looks like it's happening, it should already be there. Non-threatening, but ready to go. So that if you can't leave, again, bang. And ideally, if it looks like it's going to kick off, you want to use it with a preemptive strike. Get in first. That way, you can either use that time to create some distance, assess your situation, and leave if you can. Always leave if you can. And if not, you can further use it to keep going until this attacker is no longer able to hurt you. So I hope that's given you something to think about. If you've got any comments or queries, please feel free to message us or leave a comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you with the answer. Until then, please stay safe and thank you.